From R.D. Sharma, Class 7, Mathematics, Chapter number 5, Operation on Rational Number. Our topic is Division on Rational Number. Now if you had given a rational number like A by B, if we have to divide C by D, then we have to make this inverse. So A by B multiply, this division become multiplication, and C by D inverse, which is equal to A by B multiplied by D by C. Okay, for example, if we'll take that 3 by 4 divided by 1 by 4, so this we have to make inverse 3 by 4 multiplied by 4 by 1. Directly I had written C 1 by 4 inverse 3 by 4 multiplied by 4 by 1. 1 cancels, so answer is 3. So let us do with an exercise. Exercise 5.4, question number 1. First one, 1 by 2. Now this one we have to divide it. So let us solve this. 1 by 2. So first of all we'll write in division form. So 1 divided by 1 by 2, which is equal to 1 into, this is inverse, so directly I am writing 2 by 1. So 1 2 is the answer. Now let us do third one. Minus 3 upon 4 by 9 upon minus 16. So first of all write in division 9 upon minus 16. Then inverse minus 3 into minus 16 upon 9. So 4 1s are 4, 4s are 3, 3s are 3, 1s are. Now minus plus, so answer is 4 upon 3. Now let us see fifth one, that is 7 upon minus 4 divided by 63 upon 64, which is equal to 7 upon minus 4 multiplied by 64 upon 63, which is equal to 7 1s are 7 9s are 4, 2 with 2, 2 2s are 2 3s are 6, and 2s are again 2 1s are 2, 1s are 2, 1 remains, 16s are. Now 1 into 16 is 16, and minus 1 into 9 is minus 9. So answer is minus 16 upon 9. Now here 0 divided by minus 7 upon 5. Now with 0, any divide by 0 number, fraction or a rational number is equal to 0 only. Now in question 2, we have to find the value of this division and write in the standard form. So let us do this. This is equal to 2 upon 5. This is inverse. So multiply by 15 upon 26. 5 1s are 5 3s are 2 1s are 2 1s are 2 2 3s are. So answer is 3 upon 13. Now third one, which is equal to minus 6 multiplied by this division inverse, so minus 17 upon 8. Here nothing means 1. Now 2 3s are 6 and 2 4s are 8. Now we can cancel? No. So let us multiply. 3 7s are 21, 3 1s are 3, and 4. Minus plus. Okay. And upon 4 is the, here 3 1s are 3, 2, right? So 5. 51. 51 upon 4 is the answer. First question number 3. The product of two rational number is 15. If one of the number is minus 10, find the other. Now product means multiplication. The product of two rational number, so whichever the number which is equal to 15. If one number is minus 10, if one number is minus 10, find the other. Now here if I'll take here minus 10, so I am letting the another number which is x. So let us first suppose that let the other number be x. So here I am supposing that let the other number be x, and we had given the product is equal to 15 and one number is minus 10. So if we'll multiply x into minus 10, which is equal to 15. Okay, now this in multiplication it will goes in division, so x equal to 15 upon minus 10. So 5 2s and 5 3s. Therefore x equal to minus 3 upon 2 is the answer. Therefore the other number be minus 3 upon 2. So therefore the other number be minus 3 upon 2. Okay, now question number 4. That is the product of two rational number is minus 8 upon 9. If one of the number is minus 4 upon 15, find the other. Same way, okay, let the other number be x, product equal to minus 8 upon 9, and one number is minus 4 upon 15. So let us do that. So I am writing let the other number be x. So x into minus 4 upon 15 equal to minus 8 upon 9. Now what we have to do? This is in multiplication, it will goes in division. So x equal to minus 8 upon 9 divided by 4 upon 15 minus. Therefore x equal to minus 8 upon 9. This we have to convert in multiplication. So multiply inverse 15 upon minus 4. Now 4 1s are 4 2s are 8, 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15. So therefore x equal to minus minus also cancel. So 2 5s are 10 upon 3 is the answer. Therefore the number be 10 upon 3. Now let us see question number 5th. By what number should we multiply minus 1 upon 6 so that the product may be minus 23 upon 9? Okay, here what number should be multiplied? So we have to multiply means product. Same way multiplication, that the product may be minus 23 upon 9. Now which number? Let the number be x. We multiply minus 6 means this we have to multiply minus 1 upon 6, which is equal to, so that the product may be equal to minus 23 upon 9. Same way as third and fourth. So let us do that. So question number 5, let the number be x. So we have to multiply with minus 6, 1 upon 6. So x into minus 1 upon 6, which is equal to, product may be minus 23 upon 9. Therefore x equal to minus 23 upon 9, it will goes in division, minus 1 upon 6. So equal to minus 23 upon 9 multiply by 6 upon 1, minus 6 upon 1. Okay, now 3 2s are 3 3s are. So what is the answer? 23 into 2. So 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Minus minus cancel because minus minus plus, n upon 3. Okay. So answer is 46 upon 3. Therefore x equal to 46 upon 3. The number be 46 upon 3. Therefore the number be 46 upon 3 is the answer. Question number 8. By what number should minus 3 upon 4 be multiplied in order to produce 2 upon 3? Now here what number should be multiplied? So let that number be x. Multiplied by minus 3 upon 4 multiply in order to produce. So equal to, in order to produce means equal to 2 upon 3. Got the equation? Let us solve this. Let the number be x. Now we have to multiply x with minus 3 upon 4 and produces 2 upon 3. Therefore x equal to 2 upon 3 multiply by minus 4 upon 3. Okay, directly I had written an inverse. So therefore x equal to 4 2s are minus 8 upon 9. because your minus is not there. So answer is minus 8 upon 9. Therefore, the number is minus 8 upon 9. Question number 9. Find x plus y divided by x minus y if x equal to 2 by 3, y equal to 2 by 3 by 2. Now this one we have to use expression, and we have to keep the value of x and y, and then we have to divide. So let us do that. Now here we have the expression, we have to keep the value. First of all, I am writing this expression divided by x minus y, which is equal to x is 2 by 3 plus 3 by 2 divided by 2 by 3 minus 3 by 2. Now the LCM of 3 and 2 is 6. So 3 2s are 2, 3s are 2 2s are 4 upon 6 plus 9 upon 6 divided by same 4 upon 6 minus 9 upon 6. Now 9 plus 4 is 13. So what will get 13? So here it is 13 upon 6 divided by 9 minus 4 is minus 5 upon 6. So equal to, this will convert into multiplication. So 13 upon 6 multiply by inverse 6 upon minus 5. 6 cancel. So answer is 13 upon minus 5. Third one, that is x plus y divided by x minus y equal to x is 5 upon 4 plus minus 1 upon 3 divided by x is 5 upon 4 minus 1 upon 3. Okay, so plus minus 4 5 upon 3 minus 1 by 3 divided by 5 upon 4 minus plus 1 upon 3. Now take the LCM, which is 12. 3 4 3s are and 3 4s are. Here also 3s are and 4s are. 3 5s are 15 upon 12 minus 4 upon 12 divided by 5 3s are 15 upon 12 plus 4 upon 12. So equal to 15 minus 4 is 11 upon 12 divided by 15 plus 4 is 19 upon 12, which is equal to 11 upon 12. This is inverse. So multiply by 12 upon 19. 12 cancel. So 11 upon 19 is the answer. Question number 10, that is the cost of 7 2 by 3 meter of rope is rupees 12 3 by 4. Find the cost per meter. Now we have to find for 1 meter. This we had given 7 2 by 3 meter of rope, rupees 12 upon 3 by 4 rupees. Now for 1 meter of rope, how much rupees? So let us do that. Cost of 7 2 by 3 meter of rope equal to rupees 12 3 upon 4. So cost of 1 meter of rope equal to how much? So here cross multiplication, right? 1 into 12 3 upon 4, right? Divided by 7 2 upon 3. This is in division. Now let us solve this first. This mixed fraction into improper. First of all, 1 into this is that number only. So 12 into 4 is 48. Then 48 plus 3, 48, 49, 50, 51 upon 4 divided by this also we have to convert into improper. 7 3s are 21, 21 plus 2, 23 upon 3. So now here we have to inverse multiply by 20. Now we had interchange 3 upon 23, so which is equal to 51 into 3 is 3 1s are 3, 5 3s are 15 upon 92. So this we have to convert in mixed fraction. So 92 1s are plus 61, which is 153. So our answer is cost of 1 meter of rope is rupees 161 upon 92.